Introduction. This website is about Samarahan Rent House. For this assignment, we choose to create a website to find rental house around Kota Samarahan. This website also aims to help university students around Samarahan to find a rental place if their application to sit in college is rejected. This website also will include general information about our organizations and specifics about the rental house, such as the owner's name, contact information, and rent fees.
So for this assignment part 1, our website will have a basic homepage with an image slideshow. Then we'll have about page. We'll introduce all the team members with photos. Next, we'll have image slideshow. Then we will have 3 different styling for different media queries. Last but not least, we also include 4 responsive elements in our website. We have divided the work. Each group members is responsible for their own part. Below is the contribution made by each member. Login. In our login website, we have include email and password, which is require the user to log in before they go to our website. So if they don't have any account, the user can register one to log into our website. Register. In our website, we have a register form which is require user to input their name, email, password, contact number, and location before they can log into our website. So if they have their account, so they can proceed to their login to our website.
This homepage will help people to find house for rent or house for sale at cheap price in Samarhan area. This website will provide information related to the house, such as the location of the house and the number of people who need to be contacted if they are interested in buying or renting the house.
Hello, my name is Nadiatul Aliyah. I will present about how we make a header for our website. In the header, we put our company logo, which is the symbol of the service we offer. After that, it's also display the button home, sell, rent, and about our website. This will make it easier for people to go the place they want to find because it's always available in the header section. In the folder, we put all our company information to make it easier for the public to contact us when they have any question. The information includes the company address, telephone number, and the email. We also display our social media accounts such as Facebook and Twitter for them to get to know us more easily. It will make it easier for the public to find information about us because the information is always available in the photo sections.
This is our image slideshow. There will be 5 responsive images that can be slide or preview. So the next I will explain about the code. This about page will tell you about the website overall. In our case, this website is generally tell the user that this website will give information about rental residents in the Samarahan area. This website also provide information about our team, such as our name, role, and email.
In this page, this is an image gallery. To make coding based on the image gallery, we use the same coding where we search the coding in Google. As seen in this page, it is divided into 2 sections, one section for sale and one more for rent. Both sections use the same coding, but the difference is that we change the information about rental residents in the Samaran area, such as the owner's name, location, deposit, and rent payments.
Once a user is authenticated, they can log out with a logout button provided at the authenticated page with this link. After they settle searching for home for rent or for sale, they can log out from the website.
This is code explanation about login. So we have create doc type HTML. This doc type HTML called as a login page. So we also include style sheet and a div class called form tag. So in our form tag, we have an email and password, also login button. So in first input type, we have an email, and the second input type, we have an password. So the last is we have a button class to user to submit their input so they can log into our website. So the form tag is used to create a user form, which is it requires the user to input their data to our website before they can log into our website. So in the other words, this form can store an information of a user in our website. So we close the code with an close HTML. This is code explanation about register. First, we create a doc type HTML which named as the register page. So our register page have a style sheet. We also include a div class which is a form tag. So we have 5 form tags, namely as an email, name, email, password, contact number, and location. So the user required to register their data before they can log into our page. So there will be also a submit button, which is a register. So if they already have an account, they can go to the login page. So we close our code with a close div.
For homepage, we use more on carousel because carousel show a collection of items at one time. They're also known as slideshow and slider. So it typical use of carousel includes calling new headline, feature article on homepage, and image galleries that we use for homepage.
This is code explanation for image slide. First, we need to create doc type HTML with Bootstrap. After we done create it in Bootstrap, there will be a body. So this body section, we will insert style, which will contain like this, style. So this style must be image slide with carousel. So this is carousel style that we use, which is carousel caption header 1, and button. After that, we create div class with container so that carousel slide can be inserted there. So in this carousel slide div class, there will be 5 images in our responsive image slider. To make it easier for user, there will be preview and next button. So this preview and next button, we create it by roll button. This roll button will enable user to the next and to the preview to another page. To end the section of the code, we close it with div class.
So for this about page, we use two types of file, HTML code and CSS code. So HTML code will provide the structure of the page, while CSS is for the visual layout. So as you can see, from line 127 until line 139 are for the header, and line 141 until line 145 are for the about us part. Line 147 until line 228 contain the code for team member information. For line 152, I want to import the image, so I type image src to import the image. This AL
T will show in the output if the image can't be loaded. The H2 part, line 154, is for the heading. In this case, I put the team member's name. Then I want to insert their matric number, name, and email. Their matric number, role, and email. This can be seen at line 155 until line 157. Then I will repeat the code line 150 until line 161 6 times, as there are 6 members in our team. Line 266 to 292 are for the footer.
I will explain about the page that containing the information about houses for sale and rent. Line 124 until 139 is for the header, and line 364 is for the footer. Line 123 until line 229 is for the house for sale area Kota Samarahan, and line 241 until line 319 is for the rent house information. The reason why we separate the code because we want the information in 2 different categories.
For the code explanations for the header, the first step is to create an HTML and CSS file. After that, we use a rel link to connect the 2 files. We put it in the div class container and also the navbar before put the image of our company logo. We set the display and size and the navbar position in the CSS file. We also put the container elements such as home, sell, rent, and about before changing the position on the CSS file. For the code explanations for the footer, the first step is to create an HTML and CSS file. After that, we use a rel link to connect the 2 files. We use photo navigation to enter all the information we want to display, such as address, telephone number, and email. We also include the footer contact icon for the font, number, and also involve map maker in the code. We manage the edge position in the CSS file, such as the display, font size, and color.
Conclusion: we successfully created a website to find a rental house around Kota Samarahan. With the existence of this website, it can help university students around Samarahan to find a place to rent if their application to sit in college is rejected. In conclusion, the rental housing management system intends to process information and management data, allowing easy access to accommodation applications. This is done a lot by university students, especially for external students who cannot stay in the college or whose college applications are rejected.